we'll discuss on top stories. That is another feature search engine result page. So top stories carousels. Carousel means one by one. Okay, there is an ad format called a carousel ad. In Facebook, you can see for a company, instead of a one banner, you can see a n number of banners. One to four banners can be. You can horizontally you can slide. That is called a like a carousel. So this carousel shows recently published articles. So in top stories, it will become as like a carousel. It is like a small thumbnails horizontally, not vertically. Okay, so you can see published articles, live blogs, and videos. So Google displays a thumbnail, title, publisher name, timestamp for each result, and they usually appear near the top of the SERP. So again, another question comes, you know, can you appear in the top stories carousel? So most ranking here are short-lived. That means the trending content will come as a carousel stories. That means every day trending content will come as a carousel stories, and it is perishing very fastly. So yes, you can come as you can appear, or your company can appear as a carousel story in a search engine ranking page. According to the research by News Dashboard, 99.31% of a result on desktop come from sites that are indexed in Google News, because Google News extract the search engine. The spiders and crawlers extract the news, and this is again from a Google News, and Google News is trusted news as per Google, and they will take the trending news, and they will make it as a carousel. So it is also worth nothing that most ranking here are short-lived, as the purpose of the SERP feature is generally to show new result. That's it, the trending result. That's it. So let's get into PAA. People also ask. You can see this when you type something like what is digital marketing. When I type what is digital marketing, I got uh, one snippet, and right side you can see one knowledge information, and here you can see on the bottom, you can see people also ask, PAA. So in that, what is mean by digital marketing? What are some examples of a digital marketing? What are digital marketing and how does it work? So a number of frequently asked questions come there. So people also ask boxes show related questions that searchers ask Google. So each questions unfold to reveal an answer pulled from a web page displayed in a similar way to featured snippet. So next one is shopping result. So shopping result, officially known as a product listing ads. Okay, PLA, product listing ads. So shopping result is always advertisements. Okay, you won't get the best result, organic result. It is advertisements. So showcasing relevant products from a paid advertiser. When I type a shaving brush, I got this much of advertisement, only advertisements. Okay, you can see the carousel uh, you know result came, and you can see right side what happens. The knowledge portion came, and bottom you can see the snippet advertisements also came. Okay, so the carousel kind of a thing have came first, like ads, she shaving brushes with the price also, and the right side you can see shaving brush descriptions, and on the bottom with title and a description we'll get a snippet. So guys, shopping result officially known as product listing ads. So every result features the product name, price and retailer, and some shows reviews and special offers, etc. So most shopping result shows up the queries and transactional or commercial investigation. So for example, buy protein powder or best protein powders, etc. So most shopping results show up the queries and with the transactional or commercial investigations. So that is another kind of shopping results. So it is kind of a guerrilla kind of a marketing. So we believe that people ask questions. Okay, so it is really, it is not, but it is again advertisement, shopping results. Next one is very interested, tweets boxes. So when you type Shashi Tharoor, definitely the second is tweet boxes because he is very familiar. This is today's tweet box which I have placed. You can see a knowledge portion there on the right side. On the top, you can see the snippet portion that is Wikipedia from the trusted third party, website. Google has fetched it, and the bottom portion it came it like the Twitter box. And I suggest you, if you want to brand your product, Twitter brand in the sense like a brand with SEO, organic SEO, you have to use Twitter. You have to post Twitter. If you don't have a website, no problem. If you are posting your daily updates or content on your Twitter handle, definitely that makes gradually that makes a change. You will be featured on the top. You can come up with your product or your company. So every day or personally you can type content. Micro blogging is very good to feature your pictures. Have an example. If X, I have to know about X, I'm typing X. If X is regular, doing uh, or posting in his Twitter handle, definitely I can feature him. I can take images from Google of X. So Twitter will help you out. So next is, can you appear in tweet boxes? Definitely yes, but you have to spend more time on Twitter. Next is side links. So what is side links? You can see side links there. So I just typed Infosys. You can see careers, about us, apply, careers USA, then map also came. So right side I got an information, on the top I got snippet. So and side links also I got. So side links to other pages on the ranking website or other parts of the ranking pages. So they are more of an enhancement to regular organic search than a SERP feature, so as they appear as an extra link below a result. So see videos, definitely videos will also appear. So video result are organic results enhanced with a video thumbnail. When you type iPhone unboxing, I got a video actually first instead of because there is no unboxing iPhone unboxing by maybe there is no text or there is no such kind of a blog with a text. Maybe this iPhone unboxing is most familiar and has got more views than impressions, etc. That's why Google has taken it. The spiders and crawlers has taken it because of the relevancy, because that much of people has seen this video. So video result are organic result enhanced with a video thumbnail. Only pages with the embedded videos are eligible. And Google also usually shows the uploaded date, during, and the name of the uploader in SERP. So these are the features. These are the features of SERP, search engine result page. So hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.